PAX Gold may drop 1.7% tomorrow per digital coin price. To begin, let's check the chart and see how things are shaping up. As we record this, PAX Gold is showing a 0.1% gain and is trading near $4,309.60. Let's move into the projection roundup. Digital coin price sees the price heading toward $4,238.30 by June, about 1.7% beneath today's level. PAX Gold might retreat to $4,274.17, according to Traders Union, a decrease near 0.8%. CoinCodex highlights the possibility of testing $4,299.04 on the downside, marking a loss near 0.2%. A different outlook from Coin Price Forecast expects PAX Gold could advance to $4,363, a rise estimated near 1.2%. Finally, Crypto Predictions projects the price at $4,677.94 by tomorrow, 8.5% above current price. It's the most lucrative outlook overall. You've seen 5 opinions for tomorrow. Let's take the next step. With all expert forecasts in, here's what it adds up to. Based on the analysts' predictions, the price range is from a decline of 1.7% to a gain of 8.5%. So it turns out Crypto Predictions will deliver the highest return with 8.5% increase in value by tomorrow. So it turns out you might see gains of between $2 and $85 for every $1,000 you invest. In terms of probability, CoinCodex stands out with a 66.5% chance of success. Looking at the full set of forecasts, I formed a consensus picture. Consensus data indicates PAX Gold moving upward by roughly 1.4%. Alright, let's unpack this. Consensus estimates suggest the price may climb 1.4% by tomorrow. In simple terms, your capital might mirror the same 1.4% change. On a $1,000 investment, that could amount to about $14 gained. The probability of the consensus forecast being fulfilled is estimated at about 52.2%. Let's highlight what analysts predict for the market in the next 3 days. Digital coin price highlights that PAX Gold may hover around current levels. Traders Union expects PAX Gold to head lower. For this horizon, CoinCodex expects the chart to remain flat, with minor fluctuations only. For the days ahead, coin price forecast signals further gains. An upward drive is meanwhile anticipated by Crypto Predictions. The consensus outlook highlights PAX Gold advancing on a rising path over the 3-day period. In summary, most forecasts align on a bullish view, suggesting PAX Gold could continue trending higher in the near term. 5 forecasts were published 2 days ago. Let's see how accurate they turned out. By the end of trading, the price was $4,298. With the market moving this way, the majority of forecasts were correct. Measured by accuracy, coin data flow ended up the best. Let's zoom in on the individual results. Not one forecast matched the actual range. As far as ROI is concerned, several analysts delivered profits, led by Gulf Capital Collector at 3.6%. Now on screen is the full results summary, how the forecast performed after fact-checking. As indicated in the data, Coin Price Forecast achieved minus 3.6% ROI and $177 accuracy. Take a closer look and decide who was the most accurate. Now you'll see how tomorrow's potential gains look for PAX Gold compared with other assets. Forecast comparison places PAX Gold fourth, as optimism stays at the top with 2.6%. For now, you can see PAX Gold next to just 4 cryptocurrencies, but a much larger set is already featured on my website. We're wrapping up. Subscribe to see how analyst accuracy changes each day. See you in the next update.